How to buy KEKIUS Maximus on Poloniex. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to open this token in CoinMarketCap. After that, click on Markets and you will see the Poloniex here. After that, click on this pair here. And after that, you will be redirected to Poloniex page. And now make sure to log into your account, and after that, as you can see, select the buy option. Now here, enter the amount that you want to buy with in KEKIUS. As you can see, this is how much you will pay of USDT, and after that, click on buy and you will buy it. And after that, as you can see, if you click on markets here, now drag this to select how much you want to buy with USDT, the percentage that you want to buy of your USDT that you have on your account, and you will be able to buy this token on the Poloniex account. So this is how to buy KEKIUS Maximus on Poloniex. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.